Perfect Output saves clients budget dollars by managing a dozen print departments around the country, including for telecommunications giant Sprint.
Our relationship with Sprint started in 1998. They were spread out over Kansas City. They were intending to move some 14,000 to 20,000 people into a campus environment. They wanted approximately 1,000 devices, and they wanted the speed to be 60 pages per minute. And they were also going to equip some 5,000 printers on that campus also for the workforce. We did a proof of concept for them. We went in and we reduced the number of devices substantially. We reduced the number of printers, we reduced the number of multifunctional devices, and not one device that we put in was over 30 pages. And we saved Sprint a tremendous amount of money.
They really do focus on the customer and what's best for us, not necessarily what's best for them or best for others. Many times people are always just trying to sell you something, and that's not the case with this company.
Document management is a specific area of interest, and you need people who fully understand that, even as you think about buying equipment from a manufacturer. Perfect Output had experience and expertise in this arena. They had relationships with several of the equipment manufacturers. So it allowed us to let them focus on that relationship with the end users and allow us to use Perfect Output as an intermediary to get us the best equipment at the best price.
As a part of this outsourcing, Perfect Output has integrated seamlessly into Sprint. There's been no service disruption.
And I believe that Perfect Output has come to the table and empowered them by showing them a manageable process for controlling their spending in the areas of document management, print management, mailroom services. So I think we've identified some solutions that work for large companies such as Sprint to allow them the ability to get a handle on the pieces of equipment that they may need, to understand that there's more efficient and effective ways to manage that process.
Perfect Output has been a great partner over the number of years that we've worked together. They've actually helped us reduce our costs and be a much more efficient operation overall within the Sprint environment. And that continues on today as we look at new initiatives going forward.
Perfect Output is a minority business enterprise, and while we're international in scope, we remain an agile service organization.
At Sprint, it's important for us to work with diverse suppliers because a part of our key strategy and our mission is built around inclusion and diversity.
I know it's important to many organizations from a business standpoint and or social, economical, and that is we offer also, out of all of the savings, we also offer the diverse spend that would allow people to, based on their corporate goals and diversity, be able to add to that substantially, which we've done for all of our customers.
Documents are the lifeblood of a company. Even with the trend toward a so-called paperless environment, large companies will continue to spend a significant part of their budget on document services.
So when you start talking about greener, power, the consumption, we've also talked about not printing, therefore not having to have more paper, more supplies, more storage, and trying to figure out how to use this information and not print.
Perfect Output has been called on by clients across the nation to manage their document production and print processes.
We have the ability to save you money. Perfect Output is a solutions provider. We create solutions that work specifically for your company only. There is not a one recipe to saving companies money. And so with Perfect Output's capabilities, we can craft solutions to save you the kind of dollars that you would like to see to manage your process and your equipment so that your business is running effectively and efficiently on a daily basis.
Perfect Output. We help you get the most out of your people, your equipment, and your processes.